News now on the weather. Jamaicans are being urged to be on alert as tropical storm Harvey makes a track through the Caribbean that could see it passing to the south of Jamaica. The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, and the Met Service continue to monitor tropical storm Harvey. ODPEM says the storm should pass well south of Jamaica on Sunday into Monday, while ODPEM says it's not predicted that Jamaica will experience tropical storm conditions. It says weather conditions across the island could deteriorate. Harvey is moving away from the Windward Islands, where it caused flooding in countries like Barbados and St. Vincent. In Barbados, there was flooding largely in the north of the island. There are also reports of structural damage to houses in the Church Christ and the St. Philip Church areas. As of early this morning, nearly 4.5 inches of rain had been recorded in Barbados. The storm is expected to cause 1 to 2 inches of rain in Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao tomorrow.